Folks, thanks for joining us again. The Ministry of Public Works inspection tour continues. And where we are currently is at the Caldwell New Georgia Junction. And the minister is already here speaking with the engineers. But as you can see, this portion of the road has some pavement work already ongoing. As what I can consider as fresh pavement work that is ongoing on this particular sketch. But the minister is right here and he's talking to the engineers. He's being brought up to speed by the engineers on the work that's ongoing. So I'm going to just go walk ahead quickly and show you what you're looking at here. This is actually fresh pavement and it's quite, a low distance. We're going to drive on it and show you as the minister continues to, inspect the work. But this place used to be very bad, of course, very difficult to apply, but they've done some intervention. And as you can see, this what you're looking at here is fresh pavement. So I'm going to go back to my vehicle because the convoy is about to depart. And then while I'm in the car, I can be showing you guys the pavement work so you can have a glimpse of it yourself. So that's the minister's vehicle, and they're going to drive on the pavement quickly. But let me make my way into the vehicle quickly as we drive on. So just so you can have a look at the pavement yourselves as we drive on. Maybe you can go on the side because of the moon, they don't. Or you want to have more than you, or how they call it. So yes, folks, Caldwell New Georgia Junction, or New Georgia Junction as it's formerly called. Of course, this place was very deplorable a few months back. Just like a month or so, I was here on this road on a bike, and of course, very deplorable, of course. But now a reasonable intervention has been done already. They've, added a few layers. I'm sure there should be one or two more left, or probably one more left to ensure that it's, the asphalt is fully, placed on the road itself. So, yes, but let's drive on so you have a glimpse of it yourself. So at least it's a reasonable distance has been paved since the work started here. And the minister is here just to have a glimpse of it. But yes, let's drive on. So this is just on a road where intervention is being made, but this place has been paved and pliable over the years. But just some small intervention has been made to some places where there have been cracks or potholes in the middle of the road or other locations. And then coupled with street lights also. As you may be in the know, several roads across the country or across the city are now getting street lights. Of course, you are aware of the Roberts International Highway, the RIA Highway now has street lights. That's a progress that has been made with work, collaboration between the LEC, the Liberia Electricity Corporation, and that of the Ministry of Public Works, both working hand in hand to ensure they can light up, major corridors across the country. So, of course, the RIA road has already gotten street lights. There are several places that are left. That's because of the current construction work that's taking place along that particular route. So they are skipping some areas to ensure that once the construction works is fully done, then they can place the street lights formally at those very locations. So, but the minister is just inspecting, several ongoing projects. I keep mentioning that, as you go across the city, several parts, there are active works ongoing. Here is another place where some low intervention has been made. As you can see, fresh pavement right ahead of you there, just to ensure that, you know, this is maintenance. This is what we can consider as maintenance. So if you look here on this side, on one side of the road, you know, it has been paved to ensure free movement, while the other side is being worked on eventually. It's being worked on eventually. If you look ahead of you, that's the machine right ahead of you there. The paver or the machine. Yes. So we're going to get down. We're going to get down just to show you the work that's ongoing. So right here, as you can see, as you're looking for yourself, have a look for yourselves where an intervention is being made. Right here is the machine itself, you know, that's doing the asphalt pavement right ahead of you right here. Let's just zoom out a little bit so you see for yourself. And then there is a minister being walked through on what is being done, you know, or the intervention that's being made by the engineers here on this route. So while the minister and his team are in conversation, let's just take a little walk and show you, you know, as you can see for yourselves, the So yes, we're going to go back where the minister is and see if we can squeeze in our microphone and maybe hear the conversation. He's talking to the engineers. They're bringing him up to speed as to what they're doing. You know, he's inspecting the work, of course, but getting details on progress and some of the constraints that the engineers are faced with as the work continues here on this route. So if you're listening carefully, this section where we are, interventions have been made. And then according to the engineers, they're preparing to even go further towards the Dixville end, with pavement works. According to him, that particular portion has already been prepared and is ready for pavement tonight. So folks, the minister will now board his vehicle. So thanks for watching. We'll head for our next location as the convoy drives on. Aziko! So let's drive on to our next location, folks. All right, folks. Yes, we're still along the Cardwell end, and the convoy will continue as we drive on. All right, so now the convoy continues, folks. Keep watching, folks. Keep watching. We'll rejoin you shortly. Sure. So yes, as we drive on, the minister was making inquiry as to other portions that are ahead have been, worked on. If interventions have been made, but according to the engineers, yes, those places are prepared and possibly tonight ready, for pavement, and other interventions. In fact, according to him, as far as the Disville end, this particular portion where we are now, where you're looking at the crush racks, according to him, this place is already ready for pavement, and possibly beginning tonight, they're going to start, placing the asphalt. So you were there earlier, you noticed me showing you the machines. So as you go further here, the will be, ensuring that the asphalt pavement continues. So we're going to make our way back. We're heading for other locations, and we're just crossing right here along the Dixville Junction area, right here on the train track, the ball mine train track. So keep watching us as we move on. We'll rejoin you once we get to our next location shortly.